This Princes Tuna broccoli and pea pasta bake is indulgent and nutritious all at the same time. Packed with plenty of hearty greens and baked with a rich creamy sauce, you'll be reaching out for this recipe every single week. In a saucepan, add the butter, onion and garlic and sweat over a medium heat for a few minutes. Next, add the mascarpone, followed by the milk, the grated cheddar cheese and Parmesan cheese, followed by the salt and pepper to your liking, then mix together well until all of the cheese is melted. To thicken the sauce, add a couple of teaspoons of cornflour mixed with a dash of water, then mix well until thick and creamy. Next, add the part-cooked pasta of your choice to an oven dish, followed by the broccoli florets, peas and Princes Tuna, then give it a good mix, then pour over the cheese sauce covering all of the pasta, then fold it in gently. Finish by sprinkling a handful of cheddar cheese and breadcrumbs over the top, then bake in the oven for 35 minutes until golden and crispy. Then serve up into 4 plates and enjoy this hearty, warming recipe any day of the week.